Hey there campers, Carl from Pete's RV Center here. Today we're taking a look at the 2020 Forest River No Boundaries 19.1 brand new floor plan. It's a toy hauler floor plan too. Super cool, I'm gonna be showing you around it. First thing I do want to point off is right up front here, we've got all new is this molded front cap here. So it gives it a lot bolder look, looks really good in my opinion. You got that automotive grade windshield up front too. Lets in tons of light over the front queen bed that you do have. Down a little bit lower, you do notice because the NoBo is designed to, go out into the boonies, do that backwoods camping. They bring this rock guard up real high. That way you're not going to be getting chips or anything like that in your brand new styled front cap. You also got a LP quick connect down there so you can set up a camp grill and everything like that for yourself. Enjoy yourself a nice home cooked meal. You do get a large pass-through storage center here. Goes all the way to the other side. You'll see in there you do have an off-road tire, an extra spare tire there, and your shore cord as well. Nice long shore cord. As we make our way down the side, you'll notice you do have also this very large power awning. Comes on out, push of a button. So it provides you with plenty of room to just hang out and enjoy yourself. You do also get that porch light up top there. So what's nice is that that'll do either a white light or an amber light. So if you just want to have it on at night when you've gone to bed, you don't want to be intruding on your neighbors, just turn that amber light on. Down low, you do have, like I've already said, off-road tires. You get dual axle on this one because it is that toy hauler. You want to be able to have that extra capacity to bring along, ATV, motorcycles, dirt bikes, anything like that. You also are going to get this new style sturdy step here. Folds right up into the doorway here, but really sturdy. It's going to eliminate a lot of the rocking that goes on when you try to, go in and out of the RV. As we make our way down the back here, you will notice, like I've said, toy hauler. So this whole entire back does drop down, makes a ramp. What's nice too is that Forest Rivers also provides you cables with this. So you can make a nice big rear patio as well. Great place to hang out, enjoy a cup of coffee, or enjoy some time with your friends. So that's about it. We do also have a ladder on the other side as well. We're not going to show you that though, a little bit cumbersome to get around. But other than that, let's head on inside to the NoBo and see what it's got to offer. Now that we're inside the Forest River NoBo 19.1, first thing I do want to point out is this rubberized floor. This is very durable, going to stand up to anything you throw at it, and because it is rubberized, it's got these little circles cut into it too. Definitely helps you out with traction, so if you got street tires on your motorcycle or something like that, you're going to have no issue loading it in. You do also have 10 dedicated tie-down spots already mounted into the floor, so plenty of tie-down spots for, whatever you stuff in here. If it's one big thing, two little things, three little things, you never know. There's plenty of storage in the garage area here as well. So nice bungee nets up top here, going to help keep everything in. Same goes down low here. You just get the single cord though, makes it a little bit more accessible. As we swing around to the back, you will see you do have seating back here. So I had said that you can set this rear deck down, make a little patio so you can set your fence up. Makes a great spot to hang out with your friends, or if you have pets, so that they can get some sunlight as well. They're not cooped up in the camper. But this side here folds out to make a bed. This side here, you can use it as a bed, but you typically not going to be much use unless the dog likes, nice soft spot. But other than that, folds up nice and easy out of the way. That way, like I said, you can load your toys in. More storage down here. You even got a little bottle opener, nice within reach of the door. Up top, even more storage. Like I've been saying, these bungee nets, super useful. You do already have a TV mount in here, which is really nice. So we can get you set up with a TV on our store. That's no problem. We'll get it mounted up for you when you take your RV home. They also get you set up here with this folding table. Whether you want to use it inside, outside, in between the seating here, anything like that, you're more than welcome to take it outside, use it, set up a bar. That's what I would do. So now we're going to swing into the bathroom. You'll notice, toilet, sink, shower, nice big walk-in shower. You do also have a medicine cabinet up front too. But now we'll swing around, and I do want to point out this fridge here. So nice big 8 cubic foot fridge. You've got a dedicated freezer as well. Can hold all the ice cream you need and any of the refrigerated necessities that go along with camping. You're also going to have 2-burner cooktop. You've got a stainless steel sink. The sink cover too works not only to extend your counter space, but also as a cutting board as well. All the storage in here too. All these doors, you get little plastic props as well. That way you can have both hands free to be grabbing things out of there. And then down low, we do have this convection microwave, so you can be, whether it's popcorn, whether it's a rotisserie chicken, something like that, you know, you're covered, you can make it. So first thing I do want to show you in the bedroom area here, Nate will have you swing around. You do have a locker area here, and you do get a security box with the NoBo series. So you can put any of your valuables in there, lock it all up so you don't have to worry about, you know, you can always lock the RV, but you also have that extra security. So now the main queen bed up front here, you know, you can see tons of windows, which is really nice. This right up front here was that automotive grade windshield I was telling you about. But once again, you do have all the props here on your overhead storage. Nice big queen bed. It's actually quite easy to make too. And you do have some cup holders and some little cubbies up in here as well. You know, put your phone there, or if you like to bring a glass of water or something like that with you to bed. That way, you know, it's not going to tip over because it is sitting in those cup holders. So folks, if you want to see this Forest River No Boundary or others like it, get in touch with us at Pete's RV Center. We'd be more than happy to have you give us a call, shoot us an email, or check us out on social media. Can't wait to see you on the lot, folks, and happy camping.